Hey everyone, imagine this. You're driving and suddenly your transmission starts acting up. Maybe shifting becomes rough, the car hesitates, or it even gets stuck in one gear. You check your OBD-II scanner and boom, code P0979 appears. This error is linked to the pressure control solenoid E control circuit high voltage, which means the transmission solenoid is receiving too much power, leading to erratic gear shifts. In this video, I'll break down what P0979 means, where the important sensors are located, and how you can fix it. Let's dive in. What is DTC P0979? DTC P0979 stands for Pressure Control Solenoid E Control Circuit High Voltage. Your car's transmission control module, TCM, regulates the pressure control solenoid E by sending electrical signals to control the transmission fluid pressure. If the voltage is too high, the solenoid can malfunction, leading to harsh or delayed shifting and even transmission failure. Common symptoms of P0979: hard or delayed gear shifts, gears slipping or failing to engage check engine light or transmission. Warning: light, reduced fuel efficiency transmission stuck in limp mode, sensor and component locations, very important. Pressure control solenoid E. Location, function, transmission control module, TCM, location, function, transmission fluid pressure sensor location, function, wiring and connectors for the solenoid circuit, location, function, what causes P0979? 1. Faulty pressure control, solenoid E can become stuck or damaged due to excessive voltage. 2. Shorted or damaged wiring, exposed or corroded wires can cause high voltage readings. 3. Malfunctioning transmission control module, TCM, sends incorrect voltage to the solenoid. 4. Contaminated or low transmission fluid can block solenoids and lead to erratic shifting. 5. Poor electrical grounding can create excess voltage in the circuit. How to fix P0979? Step 1. Check transmission fluid. If fluid is low, dirty, or burnt, replace it with new automatic transmission fluid, ATF. Step 2. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for loose, corroded, or damaged wires around the solenoid and TCM. Repair or replace any faulty connections. Step 3. Test the pressure control solenoid E. Remove the transmission pan to access the solenoids.